Oh hey, what's up? You want to get shredded during this quarantine life? Watch me do some burpees, alright? No bullshit. We're gonna hit off 30. This is my 18th straight day doing 100 burpees. I've been filming myself each day. Not sure how I'm gonna put it out here. But we're gonna do a set of 30. I usually do a set of 10. Till today I did a set of 30, set of 20, set of 20. Now I'm gonna film it for a set of 30. So I can't explain how many different ways this is changing my life, doing 100 burpees a day. This is something you can do anywhere right now. So let's get on it. If I can motivate you in any way, just do it. Start with 5 sets of 5, or you don't have to do the 2 pump burpees. You don't even have to do a push-up. Just go down, come back up. Anyways, enough talking. I'm gonna try to get 30 burpees, and I'm gonna need your encouragement as you're watching me, trust me. All right, let's get it in. One. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. 13. Come on, JD. 14. Come on, JD. You're not a quitter. You're not a quitter, buddy. Let's go. 15, halfway there, come on. Come on, JD, you got this. Let's go. Ugh. 16. When you love yourself, let's go. Let's go, you're good. 17. Come on, you're gonna help inspire somebody right now. Someone's watching this. They're gonna get inspired and exercise. That's right. 18. Do something for yourself right now. Get some exercise. Something you can do. Something you got control of right now.
18. 19. 20. 20. Come on, JD. Don't hate on people because you're jealous. Applaud them for what they have and move forward. Don't be jealous, buddy. Don't be jealous. Let's get this. Accept your faults and move on. Let's go. Let's get these last 10. Come on. Yeah, boy, you're the man. 21. Let's go. Can't stop this dedication. 22. What you gonna do with all this? You're gonna come doing everything. 23. I'm gonna come up on whatever, boy. You can't stop this shit. Let's go. You out here inspiring maybe one person to get going. Let's go. 24. Yeah. Woo. 25. Yeah. 26. 27. Let's go. Come on. You're not a quitter, buddy. Okay, these last 3, you ain't no quitter. 28. Dup. 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 29. Let's get this last one. Let's pray, everyone. Cannot get too anxious during this time. So I was getting myself anxious last week and I wasn't getting anything done. So I'm gonna pray this last one that everyone can try to slow down and just not have to be so responsive. Everything doesn't happen in 30 seconds. So just try to stay calm. Let's go. Good, everyone. Stay calm this week. Boy, 30. It's a hot motherfucking 30. That was a hot motherfucking 30 right there, boy. There's my 100. Oh, my shoulders are feeling it. I'm getting. These burpees are doing your boy good. Too good out here. Something you can control right now. You got no control over anything, tons of other stuff you got no control over right now. You know, am I gonna get a small business loan? Am I gonna get unemployment? Is my business gonna be okay? Is my job gonna keep me? I have no idea. You can't even plan on what you're eating these days, really. It's like, are they gonna have it? And you can't go to the gym anymore. One thing you can do is cardio workout. One thing you can do is burpees. Anywhere you're at, a cardio workout. But anyways, I've been filming a little bit every day, and I just got to get this video out there. Like, these burpees are changing my life. I mean, I hate to be weird about it. Like, I don't know if you're watching, saw me pray on this last set, and I don't listen to no music, no devices out here. I don't bring nothing out here, and it's my meditation time. It just makes me feel great. I don't want to come out here today. I'm making tons of gains. I feel like I just did 30. I don't know how long it's taken me, but enough rambling. I just implore you. I mean, if you got any questions about the exercising, you know, drop them down below in the comments. Oh, now of course the fucking air conditioner goes off. It's always on. Anyways, CPA strength, I'm out. Deuces.